Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to log into your BingX account. To log into BingX, open the BingX application and then from the home page, tap on the human icon at the top left corner. Now you will come across these two options. To log into your existing account, tap on the login button in blue. In the login page, you can enter your email address or your phone number. You can also use your sub account to log into your account. I previously signed up using email, so I'm gonna have to do the same here. If you previously signed up using phone number, you can type down your phone number. Whichever option that you've chosen, enter the credential and tap on next. Now in the password text box that pops up, type down your password correctly. If you don't remember the password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After filling down both your credentials, click on the next button. Enter the security verification code once you tap on the login button that has been sent to you via your email or mobile number via SMS. After typing down the verification code, click on OK. And that is how you will be able to log into your BingX account again. That is how you easily log in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.